Sa mga ka-MPBL, recap lang natin yung mga scores for today's game, April 10, 2024, sa mga games na ginanap dyan sa may Alonte Sports Arena. Sa first game natin, grabe, tinambakan ng South Cotabato Warriors itong Imus Aguimat sa score na 105-65. Best player of the game natin, itong si Jervy Cruz, siya ay nakapag-score ng 15 points and 4 assists. Sa second game naman natin, panalo naman yung Quezon City to the action kontra dito sa Muntinlupa Cagers sa score na 81-74. Naging best player of the game naman itong si Chino Mosqueda. Nakapagtala siya ng 15 points, 3 rebounds, and 2 assists. Interestingly, itong si Chino Mosqueda ay player dati ng Muntinlupa, so natalo niya itong dati niyang team. And sa last game kanina, nanalo yung Batangas Ram Masters kontra sa Bulacan Kuya sa score na 76-68. It was a game of run between these two teams. Nagpalitan lamang sila ng mga runs, pero in the end it was Batangas who eventually took home the win. And naging best player of the game itong si Donochea with 15 points, 6 rebounds, 2 assists, and 2 steals. So marami pang mangyayaring games, kakasimula pa lamang ng MPBL, 29 games per team. So expect natin na madami pang mangyayaring galaw sa standings ng bawat North and South Division.